So, hi everyone, in this question, like, what this question is saying that select from the following the best setup for tracing the path of ray of light through a rectangular slab. So, in rectangular slab, what is going to happen if you look at this diagram? I think you are familiar with this topic already, but I just want to give a small glance. Just look at this diagram. So, in the rectangular slab, if a light ray is coming normally, for example, like this, then in this case it is going straight. There is no refraction phenomena you will see. If you if a light ray is going to incident on a glass slab at a very very large angle, then what is going to happen? This is normal. Just look at this. If light ray is going to incident like this, okay, this angle is very very large, then it is very very difficult to trace the emergent ray. Okay, it is difficult to, in this case, difficult to trace or draw emergent ray. Okay, emergent ray. And if it is very very close, then also it is difficult to trace emergent ray. So it should not be very very close to normal. It should not be very very far from the normal. So it should be in between that. Meaning, just look at this rectangular slab. Our light ray should incident like this. It should not be very very close to the normal. It should not be very very far from the normal. There should be proper angle. Okay, then you will see the refraction, then like this, emergent ray. Okay, so right option is not correct. It is also not correct. It is also not correct. Option one. Here, I hope you understood. If you want to write, you can write also. Write down. If you want to write down incoming ray. Write down incoming light. Incoming light. If you want to write this concept, incoming light should not fall. Should not fall perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular as the light will emerge. As the light will emerge straight. Okay, emerge straight. And refraction cannot be traced. Or refraction is not will not be. And refraction cannot be traced. Cannot be traced. Understood? Second, if you want to first point this. Second point, if you want to write, you can write. Write down. The light ray should not be very, very close. The light ray should not be should not be very close, very close, or far from the normal. Far from the normal. That is second. Reason is as the difficult Why? As writing here. Second point, light ray should not be very close or far from the norm, as emergent ray is difficult to trace. You can write as the emergent ray are difficult to trace, as emergent ray are difficult to trace. Rays are difficult to trace. You can't trace. That's all. Clear? This is a in detail explanation of this. This is different. Okay. Thank you so much.